see in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this back, so I'm cool with that.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video we are going to be styling this unit using my crimpers. So first of all, let me tell you where this hair is from. It's from African Mall hair company. They sell clothes and now they have like wigs and bundles and everything like that. So I'm going to leave their information down in the description box and the information of this wig. So make sure if you want to find out those details, just look down below. Now into the products that I'm going to be using. I am going to be using Plug and GED. I don't know, I got this from Sally's. It was really tiny and I didn't think that, I don't know, I just didn't think it was going to be like good. And so then I went ahead and ordered this bed head wave artist off of Amazon. I'm going to try to link both of these down in the description box as well. But to my surprise, this works so freaking good. Like, you just have to do really tiny sections. So I just did the top part with this, and then the rest of my head was with this right here, because I didn't even think I was going to even use this. But you guys are going to see, like, after I did the whole head with this, it just was like kind of flat. So this kind of gave it a little bit more volume. So I really like this. But overall, I'm like shook, okay, because of the fact that this is a straight texture, and I just have it made up in my mind that straight textures just aren't the best texture to curl, just based off of my experience. That's just what I think, okay? So I am just so shook that this literally took to heat so well, and to these crimpers, because, oh, let me turn this off because I already am burnt myself. But I was just really shook that it came out like this. Now, I will say, because I don't have hairspray yet, I would suggest putting hairspray in if you are going to style this hair, because I'm pretty sure these curls are going to fall. If you just want them to last a little bit longer, hairspray is always a good idea. But you guys, I really don't have much to say. That this hair is just really blowing my expectations. It's just really pretty. I just like absolutely loved it. I loved it when it was flat ironed, and I'm gonna leave that down in the description box as well, so you guys can see how it looks like straight and, you know, sleek and straight. But I'm really liking this. This might literally be on my favorites video, and that video is coming. I'm filming that very soon, so make sure the notification bell is on and that you're subscribed, obviously, and go ahead and like this video. Okay, so enough talking. We're about to get into the next clips, and yeah, I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye.